Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about blogging. So please continue at the end of video. Firstly, we discuss what is blogging. Blogging is the act of creating and maintaining a blog, which is a website or an online platform where individuals or businesses regularly publish written content in the form of blog posts. These blog posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order, with the most recent post appearing first. Blogs cover a wide range of topics, including personal experiences, hobbies, professional advice, news, entertainment, and more. Bloggers share their ideas, insights, opinions, and expertise with their readers, aiming to inform, entertain, engage, or inspire them. Blogging often involves a conversational and informal writing style, allowing bloggers to connect with their audience on a more personal level. It encourages interaction and engagement through comments and social media sharing. In addition to written content, blogs may also include images, videos, infographics, or other media formats to enhance the visual appeal and overall user experience. Blogging can be a hobby, a form of self-expression, a means to share knowledge, or even a professional pursuit. Many bloggers have developed successful careers by monetizing their blogs through various means such as advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling products and services. Overall, blogging is a dynamic and versatile medium that allows individuals and businesses to communicate, connect, and share information with a wide audience on the internet. Now we are going to discuss about benefit of blogging. Certainly. Here are some of the important benefits of blogging. Self-expression and creativity. Blogging provides an outlet for self-expression and creativity. It allows you to share your thoughts, opinions, and experiences with the world in a unique and personalized way. Knowledge sharing. Blogging enables you to share your expertise, skills, and knowledge on a particular topic. It allows you to educate and inspire others by providing valuable and informative content. Building a personal brand. Blogging helps in building your personal brand and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. It allows you to showcase your skills, expertise, and unique perspective, which can lead to opportunities for collaborations, speaking engagements, or consulting work. Community engagement. Blogging helps you connect with like-minded individuals and build a community around your blog. It allows for engagement and interaction with your readers through comments, social media, and email, fostering relationships and creating a supportive network. Personal development. Blogging encourages personal growth and development. It pushes you to research, learn, and stay updated on your chosen niche, helping you expand your knowledge and skills. It also enhances your writing, communication, and critical thinking abilities. Networking and collaboration. Blogging opens doors to networking and collaboration opportunities. Connecting with other bloggers, influencers, or industry professionals can lead to guest posting, joint ventures, interviews, and other collaborative projects, which can broaden your reach and exposure. Potential for income generation. While not guaranteed, blogging has the potential to generate income. Through various monetization methods like advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products, you can earn money from your blog, creating a source of passive or active income. Personal satisfaction and fulfillment. Blogging can bring a sense of personal satisfaction and fulfillment. Seeing your ideas and efforts come to life, receiving positive feedback from readers, and making a positive impact on others can be incredibly rewarding. Improved writing skills. Regular blogging hones your writing skills. With practice, you can enhance your ability to communicate effectively, structure your thoughts, and engage your audience through captivating and well-crafted content. Learning and research. Blogging requires continuous learning and research to provide valuable and up-to-date information to your audience. This ongoing process of exploration and discovery can expand your knowledge base and keep you intellectually stimulated. Remember, the benefits of blogging can vary for each individual depending on their goals, dedication, and consistency. It's important to define your purpose and approach to blogging to maximize its potential benefits for you. Now we go to discuss about how to create blogging website. Define your blog's purpose and target audience. Determine the niche or topic you want to focus on and identify your target audience. This will help you tailor your content and design to attract the right readers. Choose a blogging platform. Select a blogging platform that suits your needs and technical expertise. Popular options include WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. WordPress is highly customizable and widely used, making it a common choice for bloggers. Register a domain name. Choose a domain name that reflects your blog's topic or your personal brand. Keep it concise, memorable, and relevant to your niche. You can register a domain through domain registration services like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost. Set up hosting. If you choose to use WordPress as your blogging platform, you will need to set up web hosting. Web hosting provides the server space where your website will be stored and accessed. Many hosting providers, such as Bluehost, SiteGround, or DreamHost, offer WordPress hosting options. Install your blogging platform. Follow the instructions provided by your chosen platform to install it on your hosting server. Most hosting providers offer easy, one-click installations for popular blogging platforms like WordPress. Customize the design. Select a theme or template for your blog that aligns with your content and appeals to your target audience. Customize the design by adjusting colors, fonts, layouts, and adding a logo or header image. Most blogging platforms provide customization options, and you can also explore third-party themes or hire a designer for a more tailored look. Set up essential pages. Create key pages for your blog, such as an About page, Contact page, and any other relevant pages that provide information about you, your blog, and how readers can get in touch with you. Create categories and navigation. Organize your content into categories or topics to help readers easily navigate your blog. Create a clear and intuitive navigation menu that allows visitors to explore different sections of your blog. Start creating content. Begin writing and publishing blog posts. Develop a content strategy, plan your topics, and ensure your content is valuable, well-written, and engaging. Use a mix of text, images, and other media to enhance your posts. Optimize for SEO. Implement basic search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to improve your blog's visibility and search engine results. Use relevant keywords, optimize your meta tags, and create descriptive and compelling headlines for your blog posts. Promote your blog. Share your blog posts on social media platforms relevant to your target audience. Engage with other bloggers and communities in your niche and consider guest posting on other blogs to increase your reach and attract new readers. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your blog and engage with readers through social media channels. Build relationships and create a sense of community around your blog. Remember, creating a successful blog takes time, effort, and consistency. Continually produce high-quality content, promote your blog, and engage with your audience to grow your readership and make your blog a valuable resource in your chosen. Thanks for watching.